So my name is Dallas Thornton. I'm with Paccar. Paccar is a global technology company focused on commercial vehicles. We build trucks, we have a global parts network, and we have financial services and other services around our primary line of business. So we use many different types of data at Paccar. We have data coming from our trucks, data coming from our factory, sales transactions, data about our customers, data about service events. Each of those data streams is used to ensure we provide a great customer experience. So we bring a lot of that data into Snowflake, and we are working to sort of use that to optimize how we're servicing our customers. Before Snowflake, we struggled with how we would scale up and how we would scale to use the data in effective ways. That includes both sort of scaling up for larger queries, but also scaling out to serve our different business lines. So with Snowflake, we've been able to scale up different warehouses that meet the needs of different business units without each of them clobbering each other. It's helped us to really bring out a lot of new use cases that we couldn't achieve before. Another of our challenges was really looking at how we would source that data from many different sources. At Paccar, we have a lot of different sources that are on legacy platforms, mainframes, AS400, etc. And we've been able to use a product called Attunity to help us source that data, to stream that data into our data lake, to make use of it in Snowflake. Prior to that, it was a lot of very manual work to build routines to transfer data, to try to figure out what data has changed. With Attunity, we can stream that data with change data capture and get it to our destination in near real time. So one of the biggest benefits has been being able to land all of our data into one common environment. And previously we'd have to have bits and pieces of data on different platforms and then bring that together in Tableau or another platform to do the analysis. With Snowflake, we've been able to bring all of our data from all of our sources into one place, and it gives us the ability to do really large queries and to sort of expose new use cases that we couldn't do before. So at any time we have tens, hundreds of thousands of trucks that are on the road and streaming data that we're able to use and bring that into Snowflake, and really enables us to analyze what's going on the road, to look at service events, and really, again, at the end of the day, service our customers. Snowflake has really helped in terms of how we're able to more easily manage the data warehouse rather than having on-prem systems that are doing that. I'm now more focused on logically what are we doing with that data and how are we optimizing it for use. The platform has been great. It gives us a lot of flexibility in how we deploy, when we deploy, and the ability to scale up and scale down on demand.